This is the OOTD for the day. Okay, these were not in my shopping haul, but these are from ASOS. I have this pair of pants in black, dark blue, or navy, I guess, a dark green, and a plaid print. So 5 total of this style pants. Why? Because it gives me hips, people. It gives me the hips that I don't have. And I'm grateful for ASOS to making pants like these for the hip challenge like me. Today, I will be going to the city of Bath. It will be my first time ever going there. I've wanted to go there for a while since watching a few like Jane Austen films and also The Duchess with, what is that girl's name? The one that's in Pirates of the Caribbean, Keira Knightley. I think that the area is beautiful from what I've seen in movies, and I would like to see it with my own eyeballs. That's going to be today. I'm going to have to catch a train from Paddington Station, I believe, and the commute from London is about an hour-and-a-half train ride. I managed to find a free walking tour. Apparently, a walking tour is being given by the mayor's honorary guides, and it's a service that the city gives. You can't even give a tip if you like the service. It's a free walking tour that anybody is able to take. Thank goodness for things like this. I enjoy myself some free tours. Anything else for today? Nope. Tonight, I've been on Tinder, ever since I've been here, and I've been matching with people. I'm never going to be the one to send the first message because I'm just too awkward to say anything. I'm a better responder, if you hit me up, I'll respond. So been matching with dudes. Nobody's been hitting me up though, so hopefully today is the day somebody hits me up so I can respond, and maybe when I come back from Bath I'll be going out to a pub or something tonight, having some wine, because I'm not going to play myself and act like I'm going to have a beer. It's not going to happen. And that's today. Hopefully, I'll bring my, on a different note, I'm going to bring my selfie stick with me and hopefully take some pictures of myself today. I haven't really been doing good with that because there's too many people on the street. Not so much that I'm worried about people seeing me and people thinking I'm weird to take a picture. It's not that. When there's people, there's too much of a chance for somebody to come and snatch my stuff. So I don't want to take that chance because I can't risk losing my phone, my camera with all my footage. Like, nah, son, I'm not up for that. I'm rambling right now. I'm just going to get on with showing you my day and showing you back. Like a boss decision. I went to one of the kiosks to get a ticket to go to Bath, right? And they were telling me for that price to go to Bath was 79 pounds. That's $100 US. And I damn near almost took my ass back on the tube and went right back to my hotel. I don't know how I just neglected to do the research on how much a train ticket would cost to get to Bath, but I certainly was not prepared for that $100 price tag. And I literally had to go upstairs to a Starbucks and talk myself into going on this trip, because when's the next time I'm gonna be in England? When's the next time I'm gonna have the opportunity to go to Bath? I just had to bite the bullet and just be like, this $100 is gonna be worth it, and it will be worth it. But it hurt my stomach. It hurt my stomach. I will say that I tried to get the ticket from one of the kiosks first, but the kiosk was like, nah, you have to go to an actual booth to get your ticket. And thank goodness I did, because they got me the super off-peak ticket, which round trip came to $59.50. So that is 20 pounds less than I was going to pay. I don't know how that equates to US dollars right about now, but it's gonna be less than $100, so at least that. Ooh, this really hurt my stomach. Walking tour, and woo, was that long. It was long, but I'm glad I got to see the parts of the city that I did get to see. Would I recommend the tour? You always find out interesting things on these tours. So yes, to find out interesting things and not to pay anything, yes, I recommend the tour. But I also think that you can just walk around the city, just give yourself your own little guide. You won't know anything, but just looking at the architecture is beautiful, and this wonderful shopping strip is great. What I need to do right now is find a place that has like some juice, but you know, like a smoothie or some sort of a vegetable juice or something, because I have not had no vegetables since I've been here. And then I'm probably just going to grab a small bite somewhere and take the train back to London. Bath is beautiful. This architecture is beautiful, and I enjoyed looking at all of that. Right now I'm going to go out and get a Nutella crepe. To be honest with you, I don't want to leave the hotel. I'm tired. I feel a little weird. I don't know why. I think it's because I didn't get enough water today. But I'm hoping that the Nutella crepe that I get is going to help with this feeling that I'm feeling right now. Wait, I had water in this refrigerator this whole time and completely forgot about it. I'm going to chug on some water before I leave, and then I'm going to go to get a Nutella crepe. Okay people, this is my favorite creperie that I like to come to whenever I'm in London, because it's in a nice, charming area of cute little restaurants. And also, I mean, I was coming here since my first trip, and it's a cute place to come. I really like it.